Well, looky what we got here. Paul's new toy. You know, I use the word toy loosely, but it's late. It was worked a long day, but we get this loaded up on the back of the truck. Hopefully it fits neatly enough, but then I'm gonna go home. Well, talk to y'all later. Well, it's in the shop. I didn't film the unloading because it was sketchy and I didn't think about it. Yeah, Case 1840 skid steer will kind of lift 2,200 pounds if you have a 190-pound guy standing on the back. Barely. Yeah, but we ended up, that's kind of why it's kind of rednecked on my engine hoist on the one end, so we could just shove it in like this. So luckily the engine hoist actually should pick up this end, so I can pick it up, put it on blocks in the middle, and that'll work. So yeah, next fun thing will be getting it all undone and put up, but that'll be a project for tomorrow night, I think. So yeah. All right, so let's see what we get done this weekend, but we're gonna move towards trying to get that thing set up on here. So yeah, so I'm gonna take and get this stuff out. Now I'm not even gonna bother filming myself struggling to get these out, because that right there, I already got one of the orange arms out prior to moving it over here on this cart, and those are heavy, like really heavy. And there's two more on this side. I get that one out, get the two out here, there's a couple more pieces there, should be another piece of little bottom runner track for between the bottoms, and yeah, I'm gonna get those out and then I'll go from there. We're gonna see. I might try to get these stood up by myself. I got some equipment at my disposal, but otherwise we'll see. Maybe I'll call my brother-in-law, see if he's available, or wait till my dad gets home tomorrow, I think it is. That's the last arm, and I figured I'd extend her out now just to give everyone an idea of why these things are so freaking heavy. The main arm's like, looks like around 3/8. It's quarter, and this is like quarter again, or something in that ballpark. But yeah, in technicality, 3-stage arms. One thing I did notice is the one of the arms, only one of them, but two of these bolts had fallen out and were just sitting inside the arm, or the pillar, which not a huge deal, but those gotta get tightened down apparently. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this heavy thing up and put it by those two. The other one's on the shelf over there. I'm not moving that one yet. So put this one by those two, and got the two floor plates out. And this is a channel for the hose, I think, on the bottom, and then the release cover. So yep, I'm gonna get this all then taken care of, and I'm gonna get this bottom angle iron shipping bracket off. Well, there we go. Neighbor came over and ended up helping me get these things vertical, because yeah, I could get them about chest high, and I didn't have the strength in me to take and shift my hands around to actually get it the rest of the way. So yeah, we got those up. Oh, I see where my bolt came from. We got one bolt that fell out. It's off that top plate up there. There, you can see it. There's one hole, so I'll have to get up on the ladder and shove that back in there and figure out where the nut went, which is somewhere. But yeah, now it's the fun of starting to connect stuff together. So there's going to be a hydraulic hose that goes across the bottom. There's the cables got to get hooked up, but they should be where they're at. This pillar is pretty much perfect, vertical both directions, you know, for level. This one is good in out and just needs just the slightest tweak that way, I think, if I remember right. So yeah, I ain't gonna complain for a couple rednecks or inexperienced guys pouring a slab. Well, one experienced guy, I guess, was helping, but yeah. Hey Dylan, are you helping Daddy and Mama? Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Is this a lift?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
This is lift.
Yeah.
That's the two lifter.
Oh, cool. Well, a few hours later, after dinner, that side, besides the arms, is pretty much all assembled, I think. Yeah. Got a plate across the bottom. Hoses are all hooked up. Little adapter holders are in with the adapters in. Door guards, pumps on. Gotta hook up power yet, but got the limit switch installed up top here. Yeah, tensions, cables are approximately tensioned. Anchors are all in. Yeah, we're getting somewhere, boys. Side note, somebody forgot that he should probably pick up some hydraulic oil, so we don't have any hydraulic oil that I know of for it. But, you know, minor. Well, there's a lift up. And I need more hydraulic fluid, but when I push this here green button, it goes up. And it goes down. It makes some noise. Yeah, so this is honestly a really big day for me because I've been wanting one of these things for years. So, well, hopefully soon here I'll have a video up that I can putting it to use or whatever. So yeah, I guess that's it for this one. 2-post lift installed and functional. Just got to get a little more hydraulic oil for it. It's a little low right now, but not too low. So yeah, been a project, but definitely worth it. Excuse me. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and like the video, and I guess if you want to see more content from me, keep looking for it. Keep giving me support. Thanks.